Hello everyone, and welcome to a journey that's not just about becoming a cybersecurity engineer, but about breaking stereotypes and challenging the status quo. I'm here not just as a security cloud architect working for a top 500 company, but as someone who has navigated the complex world of cybersecurity, working alongside over 20,000 developers and teaching them the nuances of infrastructure and application security. In this video, I'm going to take you through the diverse pathways to becoming a cybersecurity engineer. This is a field that's rich with opportunities, offering highly paid roles that organizations are eagerly looking to fill. And the best part? I'm going to show you how to achieve this without the conventional route of a university degree in engineering. Yes, you heard that right. In an industry often guarded by gatekeepers who hold rigid views on what constitutes an engineer, I'm going to guide you through an unconventional path to not just become a cybersecurity engineer, but to excel as a world-class professional in this domain. You see, the realm of cybersecurity is vast and ever-evolving, especially with the advent of cloud technologies like AWS, which are at the forefront of cutting-edge security solutions. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to pivot your career, this video is your blueprint. We're going to delve into the various sub-specializations under the cybersecurity umbrella and understand what it truly takes to thrive in this field. So, brace yourselves, because we're not just here to learn, we're here to challenge norms and carve out our own paths in the world of cybersecurity. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, and remember, the only limits that exist are the ones we place on ourselves. Let's break those barriers and redefine what it means to be a cybersecurity engineer in today's world. Now, let's dive into the substance of our journey. Your starting point could be anywhere. Maybe you're already working in IT as a programmer, network engineer, or perhaps in a help desk role. You could be a seasoned systems engineer familiar with Windows or Linux, a university student, or even someone from a completely different field like nursing or accounting. You might even be driving for Uber right now. No matter your starting point, understanding cybersecurity is key before you start engineering solutions for cybersecurity problems. You may have some knowledge of cybersecurity, or you might be starting from scratch. Regardless, there are non-negotiable cybersecurity principles essential to your success in landing a role as a cybersecurity engineer. These principles are crucial not just for acing interviews but also for easing your transition into the field. They make the concepts you learn more relatable and practical. I recommend starting with certifications like AWS's cybersecurity courses or the Azure Cybersecurity Analyst course. These certifications are comprehensive, teaching you the fundamentals of cybersecurity and including hands-on labs for practical application. They make a significant difference in your career as a cybersecurity engineer, offering insight into networking, firewalls, and Python, among other areas. If you're watching this video, chances are you're drawn to the field of cybersecurity, perhaps to combat cybercrimes or to pursue a passion that offers opportunities for career advancement. Choosing the path of a cybersecurity engineer means dedicating yourself to solving cybersecurity issues through the installation, configuration, and troubleshooting of cybersecurity solutions. These can range from individual devices to a suite of tools designed to protect organizations and government agencies from hackers. Understanding why and how you're building and configuring these tools is crucial. The challenge is that there are so many tools out there, each requiring different skill sets. For example, mastering a firewall demands deep networking knowledge, while a development tool for secure coding needs a strong understanding of programming best practices. Luckily, there are beginner-friendly training courses out there that can quickly acquaint you with these concepts. These courses cover different cybersecurity engineer career paths and introduce basic principles like cryptography, identity and access management, as well as governance, risk, and compliance or GRC. They also delve into network and system security, teaching you about Linux, Microsoft Active Directory, network security concepts like access lists and virtualization, and the all-important OWASP Top 10. Moreover, you'll learn about API security and the software development lifecycle, including CI and CD. Understanding incident management and response is another critical area. You must be adept at detecting and responding to incidents, a skill set that's crucial for any cybersecurity engineer. It's vital not only to be proficient with the tools but also to understand their purpose and the reasons behind their use. This understanding is what differentiates a mediocre engineer from an outstanding one. Once you have a good grasp of the different areas and tasks within cybersecurity, it's time to choose a specialization. All the specializations I mention are pivotal in the cloud environments of AWS, Azure, and GCP. I chose AWS 5 years ago, and it's been an incredible journey since then. Let me take you through some of these specializations. First specialization, detection engineer. The role of a detection engineer is integral to cybersecurity, focusing on identifying and responding to cyber threats and malicious activities within a network. They are at the forefront of cybersecurity, constantly analyzing patterns and anomalies in network traffic to preempt attacks. Utilizing tools like security information and event management (SIEM) systems, including Splunk or IBM's Radar, they develop sophisticated detection mechanisms. Their work is dynamic. They must continuously update and refine detection algorithms to keep pace with evolving cyber threats. Detection engineers collaborate with other cybersecurity teams to provide actionable insights and contribute to the broader security strategy. A keen eye for detail and a thorough understanding of network protocols and behaviors are essential for this role. They often simulate cyber attack scenarios to test and improve detection capabilities. Detection engineers also play a key role in post-incident analysis, aiding in identifying security gaps and improving future defenses. This role requires staying abreast of the latest cybersecurity trends and hacker tactics. Effective communication skills are crucial, as they need to convey complex security alerts to non-technical stakeholders. Second specialization, automation engineer in Cybersecurity Operations Center. An automation engineer in a cybersecurity operations center focuses on using coding skills to automate repetitive and complex tasks. They develop scripts and programs to streamline the cybersecurity processes, increasing efficiency and reducing the margin of error. Mastery of Python is often essential due to its versatility and widespread use in cybersecurity applications. These engineers work on automating threat detection, incident response, and security workflows. Their role often involves integrating various security tools and technologies to create cohesive and automated security ecosystems. They also contribute to developing custom tools and solutions to address unique security challenges within the organization. Continuous learning and adaptation are key, as they need to keep up with the evolving landscape of cyber threats and technologies. Automation engineers often collaborate closely with other cybersecurity and IT teams to ensure alignment with overall security strategies. They must have a strong understanding of cybersecurity fundamentals to effectively automate security processes. Their work is critical in enabling faster and more effective responses to security incidents. Next, third specialization, application security engineer. Application security engineers specialize in securing all types of applications, from web apps to mobile and standalone software. They are experts in identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities within the application code and design. Proficiency in the OWASP Top 10 is crucial for this role, as it forms the foundation of understanding common web application security risks. They conduct both static and dynamic security testing to find and fix security vulnerabilities. Application security engineers work closely with development teams, integrating security practices into the software development lifecycle or SDLC. They often use automated tools to scan code for vulnerabilities and manually review code where necessary. Their role includes developing and enforcing secure coding standards and best practices within the organization. Understanding the principles of ethical hacking is beneficial, as it aids in thinking like an attacker to better defend applications. They need to stay updated on the latest application security trends, attack techniques, and countermeasures. Communication skills are vital, as they must articulate security issues and recommendations to developers and stakeholders effectively. Then fourth specialization, cloud security engineer. Cloud security engineers are specialists in securing cloud environments, such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. They are responsible for implementing and managing security controls in the cloud to protect sensitive data and cloud-based systems. Their expertise includes understanding cloud-specific security challenges, such as data breaches and misconfigurations. They develop cloud security strategies that align with the organization's objectives and compliance requirements. Knowledge of cloud-native security tools and features is crucial for effective cloud security management. They work on securing cloud infrastructure, applications, and data using various cloud security technologies and best practices. Cloud security engineers often collaborate with cloud architects to design secure cloud architectures. They play a key role in cloud governance, risk management, and compliance activities. Continuous monitoring of cloud environments for security threats and anomalies is a critical part of their job. They must keep up with the rapid pace of cloud technology innovations and evolving cloud security landscapes. And lastly, fifth specialization, Cloud Network Security Engineer. Cloud network security engineers focus on securing the network aspect of cloud environments. They are experts in configuring and managing cloud firewalls, load balancers, and other network security components. Designing and securing virtual private clouds or VPCs in AWS or virtual networks or VNet in Azure is a key part of their role. They ensure secure network traffic flow between on-premises and cloud environments and within the cloud itself. Their work includes implementing network segmentation and access control policies to protect cloud resources. Cloud network security engineers often use infrastructure as code tools like Terraform and CloudFormation for automating network security deployments. They need a deep understanding of network protocols, cloud-native networking services, and security best practices. Collaborating with other cloud and security teams is essential to align network security measures with overall security and cloud strategies. They are responsible for continuous monitoring and auditing of cloud networks to detect and respond to security threats. Staying updated with the latest cloud networking technologies and security advancements is crucial for this role. Each of these pathways offers its unique challenges and rewards. Remember, becoming a cybersecurity engineer is not just about the technical skills, it's about understanding the why behind the what. It's about being passionate, curious, and relentless in your pursuit of knowledge and expertise. So, no matter where you're starting from, there's a path for you in cybersecurity. Embrace the journey, keep learning, and don't be afraid to challenge the norms. The world of cybersecurity is vast and ever-evolving, and there's a place for you here. Let's redefine the future of cybersecurity together. Remember, your journey is unique, and your contributions are valuable. Stay curious, stay passionate, and let's make a difference in the cyber world. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get ahead of more cloud computing snippets.